he eat. You know, that is strong. The Nick, chill. Yeah, I'm surprised because I think my prediction is a one hit. Maybe you know I'm strong, man. Inoue,
Yeah, the real
Inoue.
monster, baby, the real
Come on,
monster.
man. You are a monster, motherfucker. No, you are no monster. You are a Chinese, Japanese turtle. No monster, man. My mind is fucking English, man.
He's doing good.
Yun, Tagalog na, yun. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin sa Quadro Alas at sa lahat ng nagdadasal sa akin. At maraming salamat sa lahat ng Pinoy na sumusuporta sa akin at sa naniwala sa akin at lalo na kay Senator Manny Pacquiao, Sean Gibbon, and Al Himon. At sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin, at sa mayor sa amin sa Ormoc, Mayor Richard Gomez and Ma'am Lucy Torres, and also Mayor Lando Villasencio. And my family, Reponte family, Casimero family, Pedra family, and also my team, Quadro Alas, Stephen Donas, Jason Casimero, and Bones Adam. Nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng team ko. At you know, I'm not expecting this fight, you know, because I'm not, because you know, I know my opponent is a good fighter because that's undefeated. But you know, I'm not expect to knock him out. He knock him out in 3 rounds, you know, because I think that's a good fighter. Maybe he go 12 rounds. Maybe if Manny Pacquiao he train here in the Los Angeles or Las Vegas, I go together. He work hard. We work training. Boss Manny Pacquiao. You know, I always he come Las Vegas, then he back Philippines, but come, you know, if I fight, he come in Las Vegas, then training.
Thank you very much, and we'll be back with our next fighter right after the next bout. Thank you, John. Congratulations.